welcome to Coffee and Card Round 25 Week 2. You may have noticed I'm not actually live today because I've got to work today. So I have at my other job. So I have pre-recorded this on a Monday evening, hence the shadows on my desk. I've pre-recorded this for you so you can still craft with me this morning. And we're on week 2 of round 25 of Coffee and Card. And here is the card that we are going to make. I do hope you are all well. Please do chat to each other. I'm just going to grab something that I need to get. Right, I've got them. Right, so please do chat to each other and keep each other company this morning. Firstly, I want to say a massive thank you to the ladies who attended our Paper Crafts and Piano live event on Sunday. We're still recovering from the exhaustion. It was lovely. Have to say, I didn't forget to take anything with me, which is absolutely unbelievable. So yeah, very pleased with myself about that. So a huge thank you to everybody that helped, and to the ladies who helped me to set up and to clear away. It was very much appreciated because it was a big task. We are looking at another date for April next year. So please do keep your eye on that. Now, before I get started, it's just a reminder that Coffee and Card Round 26 will start on the 29th of November. And here are some card ideas that we will make on that session. Now, this includes the Brewed For You stamp set. It does include half a pack of the papers, and it includes the dies as well. You do need crushed curry ink and Starry Sky ink, as well as basic grey. Now, I have had a couple of people ask me, oh, I don't know if I want the dies. Is that okay? The answer is yes. If you're happy to cut things out, that's yes. You can swap them out for other things. So, for example, I've had one customer who swapped them out for 2 ink pads and things like that. I am very flexible, just ask me. So that's going to start on Tuesday the 29th of November, and booking will close for that on Tuesday the 15th of November. So this is today's card that we're going to make, and in your kit you should have the following. So you should have a granny apple green card base. You should have a polished pink mat like that, and a piece of basic white. And then I have put you in a scrap of card that is to cut that tree out with. And don't forget you have your papers, okay? So I'm just going to measure what does this measure? All right, that's fine. That's fine. Right. So I had my papers on my desk and they all seem to have fallen off my desk. I'm going to use my favourite one again. So this needs to be 13.5 centimetres in width, 13.5, and then it's 3 centimetres in height. And when I'm cutting a small measurement, I like to use anything up to 3 centimetres or 1.5 inches. I use it on the right hand side. So it's only a little strip of paper that we're using today, but it makes a big impact because it's really bold and nice and stripy, and it's bright, and that's going to go there. Now, I have cut out, if you can see here on my card, I'm just going to check and see. I have cut out 2 large trees and a smaller tree, and I cut one of the large ones out from this piece of polished pink. And if we get our dies out, oh, have I put mine back in or have I not put them back in? Ah, they're here, they're hiding at the back. That's fine. I thought I'd tidied them away. So you can cut the large one out from the polished pink. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to see what I've got cut out already. I might use the back of that one. I'm just having a look, seeing if I've got anything that I can use to avoid having to do any extras. I don't think I have really, hang on. Oh, what's that one? Oh, I have. I've got a large green one that I've cut from the papers, so I'm going to use that one there actually. And then this one, do you remember last week when we cut them out of the, to make the negatives, you should have 2 small trees left and 2 large ones. I'm going to use the back of that one. So you should have those left over from last week's card. And then I'm just going to cut out this one, the polished pink. So we are using those lovely outlines that we cut out last week, if you remember. Right, so where's my machine? It's there. Now, if you're in the market for a die cutting machine, the mini cut and emboss machine is a really good starter. It's a really good starting point, and it's a really good Christmas present, just saying. So I have cut out the outline and then I end up with this one, which I don't actually need. So that can go back in there. They can go back in my drawer. And we can tidy that away. Okay, so I'm going to do some gluing now. I'm going to glue this stripy piece on. It's a dead easy card, this one, today. Building you up with the levels. So I'm going to stick it about 1 centimetre from the bottom of the white. I do love that stripy paper. So it's going to go like that. Okay. Now, this is probably going to be easier to, I think I stuck the tree down and then tried to fit the merry in. It's probably going to be easier to stamp your merry and then put the tree around it. Okay. There's not much room with this, so I'll grab the merry and the Christmas. And the colours that I've used are shaded spruce. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to put that there and think, yeah. So I'll move that. Hang on a minute. Just ink it up again. Move that. And then go like that. Like that, you see? Okay. And then I can position that. And I'm happy with it there like that. Then what I'm going to do is grab my Christmas and my polished pink ink pad, and I'm going to stamp this as close as I can to that tree, like that. Okay. And then once we've done that, you see, we can sort of position these and see how we can fit those in, and we can work around it, you see. We can work around it. They can overlap like that. All right. So you need to be very careful when you glue these down. Only really do a tiny bit of glue. So we are going to be live tonight for Paper Crafts and Piano. We will actually be live. Don't faint, we will be live tonight. And I'll be back next week as normal. It's going to go there like that. Okay. And then I'm going to glue this one. You see that one? That one is going to go there. So I have to move that down a bit so that the Christmas sort of sits in that bit. I'm just going to grab my scissors just to make sure that sticks down like that. What can happen is they're quite sort of flexible and bendy, these, because it's just the outers, so you've just got to make sure you manipulate them back into place. And then this one, I'm turning it the other way so it stands out more. So the colour, because the stripes on stripe wouldn't really stand out. Okay, there we go. And then that's going to be stuck. Now what would look really nice on this card would be some gems or something. Some little sparkles, I'm sure. If you add sparkles, please send me a picture. I'd love to see. So that's added to there. And then that's added onto there. Oh, let's see what that looks like. Very, very quick card today. And there we have our cards. I'm going to tidy my stamps away to, I didn't even have a drink of my cup of tea because we've been so quick. But there is today's card. There are both of the designs that I've done, just the same. But I know the light's not brilliant, but there we go, you can see them, I'm sure. So that's today's card. I'm sorry there's not much chit chat today, but it's better than me not doing one. I'm sure you will agree. And I couldn't have done it tonight because we're live tonight on Paper Crafts and Piano. So thank you for watching this morning. Please do leave me a comment and I will catch up on those comments when I return home. Yes, thank you for watching. If you do want to take part in the round 26, please do let me know. I would love to help you with that. And I look forward to seeing you tonight. See you later. Bye.